Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade A51 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and then locate the screen recording toggle, which for me it is on the second page right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will give you this window right here letting you choose what kind of audio you want to record. So we have microphone, mic, and speaker, and nothing, or just speaker. And obviously if you don't want to record anything, you just keep that off. And then below that we have show taps and touch on the screen. So this will show a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'll enable that just so you can see how that looks like. From here we can select start. And after a 3-second counter, it will then begin recording. So whatever we will do right now will be recorded. Looks like we don't have Netflix here to showcase. Anyway, I'm just kind of opening up something, so there is just something to see. And once you're done recording, swipe down again and then tap to stop. And there we go, it stops the recording and saves it into your Photos application. Now, that being said, the reason I was looking for Netflix is because Netflix is one of those applications that comes pre-installed with a lot of devices nowadays. And yet it has the ability to block your screen recorder because it just doesn't want you to be able to do so. And you have 0 ways of changing that. You have no control over your own device in terms of what you can record. If an application decides to block it, that's it. It's blocked. Go F yourself. You can't do anything. And the reason I'm pointing that out is because when it comes down to Netflix, it's absolutely garbage considering it's your device and you should be able to do anything that you want on it. Now, the reason this even exists as a kind of blocking method is because of security reasons. Now, when it comes down to Netflix and any kind of other streaming platform like Hulu or other ones, which will most likely do that as well, the only security there is for their own wallets, not yours. So we can just eat that security out the window there. But that being said, there are other applications like bank applications which will also do the same thing, meaning block your screen recorder. Now those arguably will be more for your own security. You might want to record your bank application from time to time, or maybe screen capture it, but the amount of times you might want to do it, or some malicious person that, for instance, somehow is screen capping your display, wants to also gather this information, see what you're typing into your bank, so he knows how to get access to it. In this case, it's more beneficial towards you. So this would basically prevent such an action from an unwanted user or unwanted observer, however you want to call that. So you might not be able to do it, but still it gives you at least some security. When it comes down to Netflix, it doesn't give you any security. Anyway, let's go into the gallery application where I can showcase the screen recording. So right now, it's, I believe, already playing. Yep. And you can see this semi-transparent gray dot. That's where my finger was pressing. And that being said, the refresh rate right here on this display or on this recording is absolutely abhorrent. It looks like it's about 15 frames. So it's pretty bad. And as far as I'm aware, there is no settings that we could change to make it record any smoother. Yep, nothing. So yeah, basically that's what you get. This choppy 15 frame looking recording. Now, with that being said, if you want a better solution, something that gives you a little bit more control over your quality of your recording, you could look at some alternatives in the Play Store and just download ones that give you a pretty good, for instance, frame rate, meaning something like 60. So this would give you a better visual experience of whatever you're trying to record. Now anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.